are you doing? I hope you're keeping safe. In today's lesson, we'll be discussing the topic Western musical instrument. But before we start, let's look at the learning objective. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to state the 4 types of the Western musical instrument. Number 2, you should be able to explain each of the Western musical instruments. Now, let's go to the lesson proper. Western musical instruments are the musical instruments produced in the Western world and imported into the other countries of the world. The 4 major classes of the Western musical instruments are also referred to as orchestral instrument, which include number 1, strings, number 2, woodwind, number 3, brass, and number 4, percussion. The first one, as the name implies, string, is the family of instruments that are made of strings, and it's also the kind of family of instruments that play tirelessly in orchestra. For example, violin, viola, cello, and double bass. Number 2, woodwind instrument family is made up of the instruments that are made of wood. They are wooden instruments and which produce their sound through air, which include flute, piccolo, recorder, cor anglaise, clarinet, oboe, bassoon, Scottish bagpipe, and so on. Going to number 3, we have the brass family. These are the Western musical instruments that are made of brass, just like we had in the woodwind, which uses air to produce sound. The only difference between the woodwind and brass is that woodwind is made of wood and brass is made of brass. The example of brass instruments are trumpet, cornet, trombone, euphonium, and tuba, etc. Going to number 4, which is the last one. Percussion is the largest family of the orchestra. This family of the orchestra is played by striking, and they provide the rhythmic flow of the orchestra. Example of percussion: we have drums, timpani, triangle, cymbals, celesta, tambourine, gong, xylophone, and so on. In summary, we said Western musical instruments are the instruments produced in the Western world and imported into other countries of the world. The 4 major classes of the Western musical instrument are referred to as the orchestral instrument, which include the strings, the woodwind, the brass, and the percussion. If you have any question, please inbox me. Thank you.